So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background in Canva, but this time it's for a video. So if you have a video that you want to remove the background of, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to start off by opening a video template. I'm just going to take one of my videos here, this one. Then you want to click on the video and then go to edit video up here. And we have the background remover. Just click that. Then, as you can see, the background has been removed. It doesn't always do it perfectly. Sometimes it leaves a part of the background in there. It's much better on when you just do the image one. But it works most of the time pretty well. And the reason why it went so fast this time is because, well, I already did it on this video. It usually takes like 30 seconds or so, depending on the video. But yeah, that's about it for this video. So if you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see how you can do this on a photo, I have a video for that also. It's pretty similar. I'm going to link it in the description. And you need Canva Pro to do this, but I have a video where I show you how you can get it for free, and I'll also leave that in the description. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.